Down to the courthouse, a verdict has been reached against Hernandez Govan, who was charged with first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit first-degree murder in the killing of rapper Young Dolph, government name Dolph Thornton Jr.
Govan not guilty in count 1 of the indictment. State of Tennessee versus Hernandez Govan, count 2. We, the jury, find the defendant, Hernandez Govan, not guilty in count 2 of the indictment.
The Memphis jury deliberated for 3 hours before delivering its verdict, and it is to note that Mr. Govan did reject a plea deal that was offered to him last month. Mr. Govan was not accused of shooting Young Dolph, but he was accused of directing the 2 people who did, and the jury did not believe the prosecution's story of the events, even after a man testified that Govan hired him to do the hits, and including how much money he was to be paid for completing the act. The state called 8 witnesses during the trial, including Young Dolph's sister, his head of security, confessed killer Cornelius Smith, Mr. Smith's girlfriend, the lead investigator of the case, and the 2 men who worked with Memphis Police Department as digital investigators. There were cell phone records that show that Cornelius Smith and Justin Johnson, who has already been found guilty earlier this year, both communicated with Mr. Govan after the murder. There were cell phone records that tied Cornelius Smith and Justin Johnson with Mr. Govan after the murder took place. The Memphis Police Department investigators was also able to track down the vehicle that was used in the crime, a white Mercedes, and was parked right across the street from Mr. Govan's house. Cornelius Smith did testify and directly implicated Mr. Govan in the crime. He testified that he left his phone in the white Mercedes that was used in the crime, met with Mr. Govan later to retrieve his phone and to collect the money that he was owed for committing the crime. The police investigators were not able to obtain any video surveillance of these meetups. By the time that they learned that these meetups had happened, it was too late to obtain any video evidence. So Justin Johnson was automatically sentenced to life in prison for the first-degree murder of Young Dolph. At the time of this trial, Cornelius Smith, who cooperated with prosecution in both trials, so he testified against Justin Johnson and against Hernandez Govan, he has not gone to trial or to be sentenced as of yet. Let me know your thoughts on this second trial regarding Young Dolph and this young man being found not guilty, even though one of his co-conspirators or alleged co-conspirators did testify that he was the one who set it up and he was the one who paid him. Do you think that he was given a deal, since he testified at both trials, to have his sentence reduced, especially since he has not received his sentence yet? Let me know your thoughts below. Until next time.